sort this glove. Oh.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. It looks fairly dry, eh?
Yeah, the roads are dry, that's the main thing.
Absolutely. Good, you want to get fuel?
There's a garage just as you go into North Berwick, eh?
Ah, we'll go in there. Watching the speed camera.
Aha, it's your favourite camera, isn't it?
Fuck's sake.
Let's see if I can put these heated grips on. No bother. I obviously wasn't pressing it right.
It's a 30.
Well, it's meant to be. I ignore it.
30?
Aye.
That is fucking hell.
They dropped it. I can remember when this was a national speed limit.
Aye.
Aye.
It's just this junction, there were a lot of fucking accidents in the damn Holly.
Nah, it's only because of the fucking arseholes that couldn't use the junction properly.
You know.
When you're heading west at night, the cars that queue up to turn right into the Raffle Road, they don't sit at the line, they sit well before the line, and it stops other cars from passing on the inside.
Yeah.
And people just get impatient. I see it all the time. Roads aren't dangerous, it's the people that drive the vehicles. Yes.
That's 50 years I've been on the road between cycling and fucking motorbikes and cars and whatever else.
I'm 31 years. 31 years of holding my car licence. 26 years holding my PSV. 21 years holding my heavy goods.
Yeah, well, it looks like it's quite clear through here, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is here.
just pulls out, don't care.
That was just stupid.
Yeah. At least they moved over for you.
I can't believe how mild it is.
Aye, it's nice, eh?
I think the clocks go forward next weekend as well.
Is it the 31st?
I think so. Or the week after.
Yeah, the week after.
2 weeks.
Remember when they went back? It didn't seem that long ago, but it was.
I think that's been a long winter.
It has, but it's not really been a cold one.
Well, it hasn't. We haven't had a lot of snow or anything like that.
Nah, well, we've had no snow. It's been quite a mild winter, but quite a wet one.
That has been wet.
And the summer was the same. I mean, we only really had one good month in the summer there. That was what, June?
It was actually either May or June.
No, it was June. I was away in May. I wasn't in this country in May. You getting some spits of rain on your helmet?
Aye. Clear ahead though.
Yeah. Clear.
Just watching in case this car in front goes on fire.
The old Tesla.
These boots I've got are the worst for fucking gear changing, you know that?
Yeah. I can't wait to get my TCXs on.
Yeah, I know.
It's no cheap to live down here.
What the fuck?
Some cracking houses though, eh?
I don't like the old houses though.
Yeah.
Costs a fortune to heat them.
Aye, the old stone ones, the old stone houses.
Thumb's fucking throbbing.
Is it?
I've just staved it, eh?
Yeah. A throbbing thumb. Here we go. It'll be better when Willie gets out with us again, eh?
Aye. Better for him.
Aye. Good for his mental well-being.
I thought there were a cafe somewhere along.
No, just keep going. There's a chippy up here. I think it's.
Is it?
Aye, I think it's on the road out. At the end of the high street.
Look at the view for that house, eh?
I know. Stunning, eh?
Lovely. When I bought that Kawasaki, this is the first place I came in it.
Was it?
Aye. Oh, eyes left.
Mm-hmm.
Line down the right.
Yeah.
We're going left here. Right.
Yeah. Oh, something's telling me right. Aye, right, I can smell it. Aye, it's up on the right hand side. Oh, I'm on the wrong gear. Aye, where the guys are. That's a chippy there.
You should turn right.
No, it's further up, further up, further up.
Further up.
Aye, it's up here. I can smell it. There it's there.
That one there?
North Berwick Diner.
I'll just go round the rim.
Aye, round the roundabout, aye, and then we can get right outside it.
Thank you.
Mine's is a 99.
This computer's just come out and said, why are you stopping for chips?
Alright, Pidge, how are you doing? Alright, Pidge. I talk pigeon.
Fucking Ian. Oh, fucking hell.
I wasn't sure if my side stand was down there. Look at the top of that post box, that looks quite smart, eh? It's got a wee...
The shit in your screen.
It's got a wee woolly hat. Pidge is really causing problems, eh? Come on, move. He doesn't care, eh? He's like, aye, just you wait. I mean, it wasn't even on the zebra crossing. dinner.